Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear students, I hope you are fine, safe and healthy. This video is addressed to first year baccalaureate students as part of distance learning classes. In the video we will introduce Unit 7, which is under the topic of Environment and Ecology. So let's get started. The first part of the title is environment. The following picture depicts exactly what the word environment means. Environment refers to conditions, circumstances, things and objects that surround us as human beings. So we basically refer to things within our planet, such as the air, creatures, water, and the land. These are the four main constituents of our environment. In this chart, you can see some forms and examples of each of the four constituents. For example, the air constitutes of items like oxygen, the sky, clouds, the wind, the sun, etc. And the second constituent, which is the land, has items like the soil, forests, mountains, desert, while water contains items like rain, oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes. These are the main forms of water, in addition to waterfalls. Finally, creatures. So, besides us, humans, we can name animals, birds, insects, and plants. So these are the four main constituents of our planet or our environment in general. Is ecology? You must be asking what ecology exactly means. So let's first watch a short video and then we give a definition to the term. After you have watched the video, I'm sure you now have an idea about what ecology means. So generally, ecology is a branch of biology. Ecology studies environmental problems and tries to provide solutions for them. Okay, let's see now what some of these environmental problems and solutions are. Among the environmental problems our planet suffers from, we can name climate change and global warming, which refers to the increase within the globe's or the world's temperature. In addition to the big amount of rubbish and waste you can find everywhere. Another problem is pollution with its different forms, like air pollution, land or water pollution. In addition to desertification. More problems are deforestation, which refers to cutting down trees. Another real problem is damping, which means creating more dams and throwing rubbish. Drought is another real problem. Drought means scarcity of rain and shortage of water. And finally, natural disasters, including tornadoes, volcanoes, hurricanes, fires, and earthquakes. Now let's have a look at some of the solutions provided for those environmental problems. An example is to use renewable energies, just like solar energy or wind energy. Another solution is recycle waste. In addition to planting more trees and plants. Another solution is to preserve forests and to preserve and protect animals, especially those at risk of extinction. Okay, now we will go through two exercises studying vocabulary items related to the topic of environment and ecology. The first exercise is about making collocations. As you can see, the question says match the following verbs with the nouns to make appropriate collocations. You've got the first column has a list of verbs to be matched with nouns within the second column to form collocations, as you can see in the following example, using the first verb, which is to recycle, and matched with the word plastic. So the collocation is recycle plastic. Now you can pause the video, think of and copy answers for the exercise, and then compare with the key answers. Let's now have a look at the key answers to the exercise. The second collocation is cut down trees. Destroy is to be matched with the word forests. We destroy forests. Hunt animals. Pollute the air. Throw rubbish. Waste water or waste energy. Save water or save energy. And finally, give off smoke, which means send smoke in the air. Now let's move to exercise number 2. The question says, complete the following table with the correct form of the words. In the table, you can see a list of words ranging from verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Your job is to find out and give the missing forms. For example, the first example is the verb to harm, and the missing forms are the noun and the adjective forms. So the noun form for the verb to harm is also harm with no changes. We do say smoking causes much harm to the body, and the adjective forms are harmful or the opposite, harmless. An example would be smoking is harmful. So now you can pause the video again, think of the exercise and copy answers, and then you compare your answers with the key answers I will give later. After finishing the exercise, try to compare now your answers with the ones given, and then further practice will be to put these words or forms into your own sentences. That's all for now. Thank you. Have a good night.